khane hamjak ma tai chobani chibai joto nono joto rangsakni mare kising song sari kaham tai joto sini khapangni rangsakni tiprasa takuk bukuk songno khane hamjak ma tai chobani chibai tini Bwlai ke kha dukhu nangma bai haino hai Facebook live no rok ni thani ma phaikya koekta kokthai rok no response runani bagai tai je statement rezakha aborok no kisa response runa bagai no haino hai nongni buskang wang ta live ma phaikya haisi tini just thasingo kaisang video no Bwlai ke wanakha te kha kham ka haise Honorable Chief Minister ni kaisa statement nukha a jagao bo sanani chaito kha je tangai norok orthat je tipra saro roman script no tui ase khasik laitong roman script no tui chiri khok laitong roman script no tui diman khaitong Devanagari script no tui norok tangai musung jagya ba Bangla script no tui tangai norok ase musung jagya bini a statement ni je meaning te bo obo sanana kya roman script no je obongkha English language foreign language obo high script no klayakare Devanagari script khainani bagai bosaka jetu Hindi kok saitongo sung Devanagari script no sung khlaitai tini haino hai ang honorable chief ministers no tini sanani musung haisi there are all together almost more than 30 tribes 3-star tribe ni saipano BC northeastern region India wo roman script by Cox Hawaii tongo boni basano roman script by sei tongo aboni ke kuno problem kri nang sanan thanga ga Meghalaya wo Khasi Hills Jaintia Hills roman script by sijagi tongo boni language no tui Mizoram sini Mizoro Lusai ro boro roman script use khayo bongni language no sinani bagai Nagaland no NDPP by BJP government chalogui tong haise alliance so aro roman script ni kunu proti mane roman script no badar mane kunu nukjagya aro angami sanai bosongrok nini sumi sanai bosongrok nini lotha sanai bosongrok nini tangkhul sanai bosongrok borok boto roman script by seitongo Manipur ni kok sajau ka nini kuki rok nini paite rok nini thadau rok borok boto roman script by kok saitongo nini Assam ni kok sana thanga nini Karbi rok Dimasa rok Bodu rok borok boto roman script by seitongo Assam ni kok saitongo Arunachal Pradesh thanga ka haino hai arabo adi borok roman script by seyo nini Galu borok roman script by seyo Apatani borok roman script by seyo why only in Tripura haisi Asamoto BJP government no chalo goi tong tong alliance so NDA ni alliance government Arunachal Pradesh neda ro borok boto alliance ni chalo goi tong tong aro to roman script ni kuno badda kri nini Nagaland no NDPP by BJP government chalo goi tong aro roman script ni kuno badda kri Manipur agi BJP alliance government chalo goi tong aro roman script ni kuno badda kri Meghalaya state of NPP National People Party by BJP alliance government salok tongo khasita Jaintia stopper roman script ni kuno problem kri then why only in Tripura tini sang barbar sai tongo 1971 je tini Bangladesh katal desh khlaijak mani pishone tamo Urdu language no forcefully impose khlaijak kha Bangla sanai borok rokni saka wo last digi basa andolon borok khlaikya mukti judo andolon khlaikya fole Pakistan je tongmani dui tukrang bak ngai tini Bangladesh kaisangkha Pakistan kaisangkha boron chimi starting kha basani theke tini এই বাসানি বাগে দুইটা বাক তিনি দেশ আমার পর্যন্ত নুগুইতং প্রবলেম তামো সিংকি কেবনি রাইটস ন সেকনানি থাঙ্গিতং ইন্ডিয়া কাইসা ডাইভার্স কান্ট্রি diversity 인자고 인디아워 니네 어러 빈노 버러럭 प्राय 200 plus जाति रक ओ जागाव तंगै तंग हाइसि जानी सिनेमुं बाक्सा बा तमिल बाक्सा पंजाब बाक्सा गुजराती बाक्सा बिहारी हाँ बाक्सा अरुणाचली बाक्सा मराठी हाँ बाक्सा तेलुगु अब हाइके बांगमा बररक जानी सिनेमुं बाय सिनेजागै तंग ओ डाइवर्स काउंट्री वो ताङै आसो फोर्सफुली इम्पोज खायना नाख्या काइसे जातिनि साकाव सिनी सेंटिमेंट ताङै बुजिना नाया अंखा हाँ कि बांग्ला स्क्रिप्ट बाय सिनी भाषा नो सिनी लैंग्वेज नो प्रोनाउंसिएशन जे उच्चारण तंमानी एक्यूरेट के खाइजमान मानिया then why you are imposing forcefully to the Devanagari script? Why you want to impose forcefully to Bangla script? Bangla script by kiseng keteng tui musa abrong kiseng sejaman semania maneno seng compromise ma khaisina compromise khaike maneno sini basano seng tai next 10-20 years so kaino je bini asol ucharon kamawi pogoi thangsena basani kuno ekta existence tongla khaisi sini ki honorable mukhyamantri obata nai tini boss hanani chaitokha bo institution ni obo demand sanjagi tongne tar mane directly Christians no indirectly Christian no target khaikena ble ki Nagaland okok saida mano ki Meghalaya okok saida mano ki Manipur okok saida mano Arunachal Pradesh ki okok saida mano Assam ki okok da sai mano why only in Tripura and taiba achorjo na haise taiba achorjo na जे बरो निजिनि दफ हानो कांका ब्रॉयलर तो काके ची खागै सिबनानि नि साव बॉयलर खुगदै के खुगै सिबनानि नि साव এই বড় তিনি চুপ অনারেবল সিএম কক সামনে পরে তিনি চুপ এক তো কক সারা গিয়ে হাইছে ওয়াই রোমান স্ক্রিপ্ট কি শুধু তিপ্রা মথানি যে সাপোর্টার্স রক সিমিতে সিনে ওয়াই দে আর সাইলেন্ট টুডে তিনি অনারেবল ফর্মার এমপি বারবার সাবু মহারাষ্ট্রনি উপর আটাক খাইও মহারাষ্ট্রনি ফ্যামিলিনি উপর আটাক খাইও তিনি নিজিনি আমানি কক বরকনি এগেইনস্ট সাবুই দङ অনারেবল চিফ মিনিস্টার হ্যাঁ বাসানো টোটালি ইম্পোজ খাইনে নাই দङ ফোর্সফুলি why they are silent তামি বরক সাইলেন্ট হাইছে তিনি অনারেবল জেনারেল সেক্রেটারি অফ দ্য স্টেট often I used to hear sabka sat sabka vikas the prime minister also often says sabka sat sabka vikas is this the mantra of sabka sat sabka vikas we are not having our options we can't adopt the script that we wish to is this the mantra of sabka sat sabka vikas when other state citizens are having the rights to choose whatever script they wish to. Why only for Tiprasa it is not? Why only for Tiprasa they are trying to impose forcefully? Tini sengmong pai kya haisi. Greater Tiprale ni kok sakange sunu kebengo. Statehood ni kok sakange sunu kebengo. Additional strength and kainen inge sunu kebengo. Roman script ni kok sakange sunu kebengo. 125th Amendment Bill ni kok sakang sunu kebengo land rights ni kok sakang sunu kebengo political rights ni kok sakang sunu kebengo what then tamono ronan musongba ha every jaga se kebeng tongle land rights tini edition yago kre hani busani thani land rights kre tini nini jaga 100 বছর tongmani 200 বছর tongmani nini dadu nini great grandfather sok tong phaimani jaga no tini sabo decide khai dm decide khaisinai ab ki nini da nini ya সরকার decide khaisinai but e hani busa e hani o hani je tongoi tangnai om thethi klaine borok khai to decide khaisi malia sinia ko power sire jagya othoso BJP, Congress, CPM ni chiri khoklai tong seng land rights ni kai ek to kok phana saiman ya haisi sudo tiprasa broiler to khaike khugna pu okok to saiman ya Tini land rights ni suno ruzaki haise Roman script ni tini open stage o tini kok saitong Roman script nundar tangi khasi kai tong ne. Are je kuno ang thasingo saka tini Meghalaya o tini khasi hill jainte hill Roman script saitong o NPP by BJP government share o chalagui tong tong haise govern khai tong o. They can write Roman script boni language no. Mizoramot nini mizu nini lusairo Roman script e si tongmano haise boni basano. Tini Nagaland no tam tong angami borok boni basano sinyani bagi Roman script use kayo sumi boni basano sinyani bagi Roman script use kayo lotha bong basano sinyani bagi Roman script use kayo tangkul borok Roman script use kayo bong basano sinyani bagi Manipuro bong nang nainay diba kuki tongo paiti tongo thadau tongo borok Roman script use kayo tongo boni basano sinyani bagi nini asamo na di karbi nini dimasa nini bodu Roman script use kayo tongo bong basano sinyani Arunachal Pradesh tam neda government chalagui tong BJP government Assam chalagui tong ha arobo to adi borok Roman script sitong galu borok Roman script sitong apatani borok Roman script sitong waisi tini if Arunachal Pradesh is governed by the BJP yet many tribal languages there are written in Roman script without any problem in Assam is governed by the BJP yet many tribal languages there are written in Roman script without any problem. Even in the case of Meghalaya, is also governed by the NPP and BJP government. Yet many tribal languages there are written in the Roman script without any problem. Even in Nagaland, NDPP and BJP are governing the state government. Yet many tribal languages there also written in Roman script without any problem. I want to ask the questions to the Honorable Chief Ministers. Why only in Tripura there is problem? Tai ang sengani musung haise sini jono jati klai kotor bason ritong ne rokno. Tini overhigh statement rezangmani pore poda norok Tripura sani side do kok saya kare. Tripura sani next generations no banchiria kare. Still you will choose just for your positions. Nung sacrifice kainai, nung compromise kainai. Tamo no job bernai norok nong ni no khung no. Tamo job bernai nong ni busabuti rok no haisi. Tamo job bernai norok nong ni next generations no. When we require the most, today you are silent just because you love your position. You fear that your positions will be lost. That's why you kept silent today. But my dear ministers, my dear General Secretary, my dear former MP, and some other great leaders from BJP who call themselves tribal leaders, if you keep silence today, the next generations of our people, kumanai haisi, the next generations of our people, tini sung sini right step sekjang haisi. Ekta rights ni bagi noro kok sanani nongi shakti kare, ekta rights ni bagi kok sanan bagi noro himmat kare haisi. Land rights ni ti kok sanan bagi noro himmat kare. Parao thangi noro tam no peace re. Omog renai, rang renai, this renai, that renai. But land rights kare ke next generations ki noro thangi jamano. Tini 10,492 square kilometers state. 40 lakh ni sai basic population singi tongkha. Debai je sini joto land rights tok sekjagi tongi tongkha isi. Reserve je Maharaja Khlai Klangmani Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya. Sini His Highness Maharaj Khlai Klangmani tini di reserve khlai jagi tongkha isi. Forest lands namjagi sini rights sekjagi tongkha isi. Yet you keep silent always just because you fear that you will lose your position. Tangai. Sini joto rights tini kare haisi. Tangai, why you kept silent? 1953 to 1957, I keep on repeating this word haisi. At time of almost 5 lakhs refugee. No, Govind Balapan, the former Home Ministers of India. Borok no tlang na ni bagi kok samani that time also siniti prasarok no influence kayai basa wai tini bidesi rok no hama bakna ni sane tini naragi shibka abo ki mistake yare history tini muitumano haisi Jalian wala Bagh 1919 no Indian rock Ingres rock ni yakung slagai sini Indian rock no kogui bathar ka haisi sabo first shoot khai Indian rock sabo no khai Indian no kogo haisi 30 January 1948 sini father of the nations Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi no sabo shoot khai Indian sabo Nathuram Vinaya Godse shoot khai tini bathar ka haisi tini tiprasani rights no sabo ka suitong bunyi borok to ka suno tai borok no taibu phanri tongo sini a je neta hanjak nei ro borok no taibu phanri tongo sini a leaders hanjak nei ro because seat borok nango borok positions nango bongni boss no impress khlanya bagai tiprasarok ni generation no tani bathar sibdi haisi amo sible intention tini हजार borok ni sentiment lakh borok ni 99% of our people are demanding for Roman script yet someone from some communities just because he sits in the top positions trying to impose other script that we don't wish to adopt why is it so tangai tini TSF rock obunuti andolon khaitongo boroki boni TSF ni students rock ni bagi simida they fight for every people every citizens of our Tripura saisi Tripura mothani wings nini TISF YTF Tripura motha and TWF they are fighting for the Roman script is this for ourselves no this is for the generations of our people. But the one who always gives big speeches in the big stages, so-called Janajati leaders, they keep always silent, I say. Tangai? Norok, sini tiprasano greater tipra land sanmani prosno khaimano. Sini tiprasano land right sanmani prosno khaimano. Norok, sini tiprasano norok political right sanmani prosno khaimano. Tripartite accord sanmani sign kaimani prashno kaimano kintu Roman script ni bagai sini honorable CM kok samani respected CM kok samani nor prashno khaire gya land rights no kasi to mani nor prashno khaire gya political rights no kasi to mani nor prashno khaire gya 125th amendment bill tabu implementing ke abon nor prashno khaire gya tripartite accord tabu implementing ke nor prashno khaire gya Norok ni himmat, norok ni fan, sudah tiprasano prosno kayaknya nih dah. Hah? Sakangkai caze kya? Rang ni dapat funugui para wah habai rang renai wag renai tog renai. Abu bai the nation muthangsang nai. Dofam muthangsang nai abu bai. Hah? Tini thousands students Roman script by mas ini fail nani bai dongui tongo. Who are the responsible for their future? Bog future ni sab responsibility na nai. Tini okok sakangkai James Debbarma ugrobad kok sao James Debbarma tini utte jona kai space ru oni sajau nai haise. But abu kobuya da? Is not that true? Wake up, my dear Tiprasa, wake up. We are not here to take away the rights of other community, but we are here to demand our rights. We are here to demand our futures. And these rights no one should take away from us. And if it is so, then I say here, if it is so, then in the days to come, we will come up with the most sung intensify kai sung obonoti uttejana kai andolon khaina ni nangnai haisi. Obu kuno political party ni demand ya. The Roman script is a sentiment of our people. Roman script is a sentiment of every single Tipra Sahaise. Land rights is a sentiment of every single Tipra Sahaise. It is not the demand of Tipra Motha political party. Tini mas how haise. Tini silent. Silent. How many of your leaders spoke against the statement of our honorable CM? Sini Riang Bro Rokno, Bangladesh ni ini saka. Ekta BJP ni leaders kok saragya. Why? Ekta BJP ni leaders kok saragya. Why? IPF ti no porjanto ugrobadi party ni kable. Huh? Ekta BJP leaders kok saragya. But the moment Maharaj land rights in Kok Saka, no, it is not possible. Borok Paine. The moment Maharaj talks about Roman script, no, Borok Paine. The moment Maharaj talks about Greater Tipra land, no, Borok Paine. Why? Noroki Tiprasani leaders, Tiprasani rights no kasuna bagi dangitong. Huh? Noroki Tiprasani leaders, Tiprasani next generation of Sokorman bagi the Norok salary naitong. Ang bagi the Norok poda suktong haisi. Tini sungna ni bata. Dukho nang haisi, blaike dukho nang. 99% ni sentiment. Tini basa wish hawo. Tangin or Roman script san ne. I don't think it is fair. My dear Honorable Chief Minister, I don't think so. Your statement is fair enough to our people. You didn't understand the feelings, you didn't understand the sentiment, you didn't understand the emotions that we are connected with Roman script. The pronunciations of our language is accurate with the Roman script. Tangai obono bujina na yahise. Don't try to impose forcefully on us against our will. And we have seen when the Urdu language was imposed forcefully in East Pakistan against those people whose mother tongue was Bengali. At last what happened? It ultimately led to the creation of new country, Bangladesh. The history once again clearly teaches us the lessons. Do not impose any language. Do not impose any script on people against their will. Otherwise, like Bangladesh, again here in Tripura also the Greater Tripura land will be created very soon. I'm saying this word again and again. Yes, will be bound. If in Mizoram, Mizo people can write Roman script, if in Meghalaya, Khasis and Giantess people can write Roman script, if in Nagaland, Angami, Sumi, Lotha, Tangkhul can write Roman script, if in Manipur, Kuki, Paite, Thadao can write Roman script, if in Assam, Karbi, Dimasa, Bodu can write Roman script, if in Arunachal Pradesh, Adi, Galo, Apatani can write Roman script, why only Tiprasa can't write Roman script? Why only Tiprasas are being taken their rights? I think the high time came for every Tiprasa to understand who are opposing our rights. Tini clearly sananang yahisi. Tripartite accord Larry Tomanis, no sini Maharashtra, no sini Tipramota ni leaders of no those who blame ru. Nor tini nukanas have kasuito. Land rights nutis and tripartite accord sign claimani. Tini lermani bagay suno dusiru nor nukanas have kasuito. Political rights no nukanas have kasuito. Edisini funding, direct funding nano have kasuito nor nukana. Tini budanor no tebo clearly kaise hanan no. And Saimantatino azagaw asugui kabagay tongo. Saimantatino asugui kabagay tongo. Post position ni bagay haisi. Next generation wrong no prosno kanyay. 1953 by 1957 no. Jefro ungfro. Bangladeshi rokno. Bidesi rokno hamabakna hinarakmani. Tinini 2025 sung high youth rock. Questions kaitong boroni mistake no. Tini say BJPO asuk tongnai koroksa jono jati neta rokno musung prosno kaine next generations rock. When His Highness Maharaj along with the team of TSF and TISF, fought for the rights of Roman script. Why you people were silent at that time? The next generations will come and ask these very questions to you guys, I say. That time I know that you will have no words to speak. You will be speechless that time, I say. Tino o prasno sugzana, I say. Ang tay besi kok sanan mo sungliya. Norok jotto no saimano. Ang koinay. Norok tabuk jotto no dud ka dud, pani ka pani ka. Norok clear kanuk ka. Sabu sini land rights no ka suitong. Sabu sini Roman script no ka suitong. Sabu sini political rights no ka suitong. Sabu sini tripartite accord no ka suitong. Sabu sini greater Tipralian demand no ka suitong. Sabu sini jotto rights no ka suitong. You all have seen now. And I don't have any other words to make you guys clear. You have already understood who are all that stopping to get our rights, I say. And borok no sabolo giri tong apo bonorok saiman ka, I say. Tiprasano ka broiler tok hai cook nai. And tiprasani davino ka suthani ka norok borok no logire nai. Prosno sungsang na, I say, next generation sok bai. Bwlai ke hambai, joy tiprasa, joy sini Roman script, joy greater Tipraland, joy land rights, joy political rights, I say. Bwlai no hambai.